今天是礼拜天，我们又要骑车了。然后现在是7点，7点半呢，跟女骑约在一个油站集合。然后我们今天会去 Serenda 的一个七仙景的地方。我相信这个地方很多白哥都知道啦，去过。我也是很想去，没有去过。我们从 KL 去 Serenda 的距离差不多要37个 kilometer。所以回来的路呢，我们会从乌鲁央回来，所以总行程就是差不多70个 kilometer 吧。You don't mind, right? No worries. You will go up to YouTube one, Wow, nice! Wow, you got name one, oh, Little Bob. 我们的小辣椒来了 ，Audra. Morning. Morning.
Ini baby ya?
Wait, apa ni? Apa ni? 这个有惊喜，这个有惊喜。阿丁来了，新的帽子。我们马来西亚第一个 Sportster S 的 Lady Owner Ivy 来了。好了，全部人都到齐了，我们开始做 briefing。我们有个 special guest， 这个，还有多一个 special guest from Sarawak。And then it's me. It's green now. Brilliant, and I'm the captain today.
Do you still want to be a super?
And the captain always.
So super will be Cecilia, our new joiner. So we have certain hand signal.
Actually, I also don't know all the hand signal one. Figure it out. 大家准备出发。On the bike. On the bike.
Is it over? When I had the chance I should have told her. Without her I don't wanna get older. But I had a feeling that our first goodbye would be my pastime. I think about her just a pastime. She was getting in a corner leaving now. I have a feeling that our first goodbye would be our last. If there's no way she's coming back, our first goodbye will be she's at liberty to earn a business degree, just a road trip away, but her heart's in a different place. If only I could turn back time, maybe I could change a line or two to change her mind, cause she don't know how much I want her back. Cause it's over. When I had the chance I should have told her. Without her I don't wanna get older, but I had a feeling that our first goodbye would be my pastime. Think about her just a pastime. She was getting in a car to leaving now. I have a feeling that our first goodbye will be our last. There's no way she's coming back. That our first goodbye will be our last.
重新的拍照。
Love with you, it's too late to tell the truth. I'd be better off with you, but it's
我们来到早餐的地方，这边好多人哦。这一区就是这个地方，他们会来买早餐、买菜的地方，很繁忙啊，早上。 这个气不错 ，energy。我们来看有什么东西吃。What is it？ 晚餐面。哦，晚餐面耶。鸡饭。
应该呀。哦，OK。
差不多，没有。来，刚才我们讲今天有特别企划，来看什么特别企划？你看我们在穿，一个穿红色恐龙，一个穿蓝色 Stitch。
真的没有比错，他真的是卡顿的嘞。卡顿啊！
所以等一下他们会穿这个7 byte， 怎么他们2个罢了嘞？OK on bike， 哇 ，Stitch on the bike，
你拿轻的办啊？
Yeah, so cute， 好帅。
把你脚背在
another character, Red Hero. Yeah. Hey, why that one cannot see the face, right? Ah. Intro yourself lah. Red Dino on the bike. Ui, so cute. 还有它的尾巴，抓一下它的尾巴。尾巴。哦。OK。
没有办法，全场都出色都。
来，我们的网红恐龙，还有。
他只是拍张照而已。
来，go take photo together。I'm sorry。网蓝和网红去 ，go。Take with the bike 啦，来的。
可以帮我拍张照。可以，谢谢了。
在你那边啊，在这里还是在那边？你要吉祥物，你要吉祥物站在你的拜两旁。
这样又不用了，随便。
站在我们的拜旁啦。
主角是2位罢了。
来呗。来呀，1、2、
一炮而红。
再来一张，1、2、3。
OK， 可以用。七仙景 Taman Recreasi Perigi 7 Serenda。来看一下，这个是一个水坝，哇，好大！它现在这边建的很好，好像一个公园这样子，有步道可以来这边散步啊、走走啊。哇，有人在这边野餐。Hello, camping picnic。哇，这边好， 有树荫遮阴，然后这边又有河，哇！这个水坝看起来就是很古老的样子。来看这个七仙井，为什么叫七仙井嘞？因为这边有7个井。终于来到这里了，在网上看到很多人分享这个地方，蛮特别的。然后它这边这个公园见到很多树荫啊，然后又有河流啊，很多的树，其实是一个休闲的好地方。而且今天礼拜天没有什么人呢，这个地方，所以这是一个很好的选择，不用去其他地方跟人家人挤人哦。
位于死人大双文丹的七仙井，至今已经超过100多年。它是在英国殖民时代建造和遗留下来的水闸，是为了减少当地频繁发生洪水而建设的。七仙井在缺乏先进机械和精密工程技术的年代建成，经过了1个世纪的洗礼，执政者改朝换代，科技日新月异，而它依然屹立不倒，运作良好，默默地守护着这片淳朴宁静的乡城。目前，它已经列入了马来西亚国家文化遗产的审核名单当中，希望不久的将来能正式列为国家遗产。
我们现在要离开七仙井了，下一站我们要去半山云岭半山沟洞喝茶，因为有点太热了。看来比谁的大声，后面的车吵死人了这一把。
When I had the chance, I should have told her. Without her, I don't wanna get older. But I had a feeling that our first goodbye would be my pastime. I think about her just a pastime. She was getting in a corner, leaving out. I have a feeling that our first goodbye would be our last. And there's no way she's coming back. Our first goodbye will be she's at liberty to earn a business degree, just a road trip away, but her heart's in a different place.
OK， 拜拜，拜拜。邊個嚟嘅？後邊嚟嘅梗係堅啦。拜拜。拜拜，See you Friday。See you next time。